is Sushmita, and if you're watching me for the very first time, I make videos on hair care and beauty, and in all my videos I keep stressing on this point that nutrition comes from within. So you need real nutrition from within for making your hair really strong and bouncy. No matter how much you invest in shampoos and other things, your hair will not look good and be healthy if you are not healthy from within. So having said that, there are several gummies that are getting really popular these days. So you have these chewable gummies for hair growth and hair thickening. So there's no harm in taking these gummies, I would say, but the two major disadvantages that come with these gummies are they are full of sugar and preservatives. That's one. So basically, if you are a diabetic, if you have blood pressure problems, or if you are a nursing mom or a pregnant woman, then taking these over the counter gummies might harm you. And the second is that mostly these gummies are quite expensive. So what am I going to do today is that I am suggesting a way to make your own DIY biotin gummies in your kitchen with the things that you already have in your fridge. Also friends, I am kickstarting a DIY recipe series with this video. So you will get to see some really interesting biotin recipes that you can try. Make sure that you check out all the videos from this series and don't miss out on even a single video. And one more thing, friends, please keep supporting me, keep liking my videos if you really like them. Because a lot of time it happens that I'm putting up content and I don't get that kind of response, so I get demotivated, and that is why I don't feel like making more videos. So if you really want to see more content from me, make sure that you press that like button and also share my videos so that I know that it's reaching my audience. So yeah, let's get started, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, let's jump ahead.
And friends, as I said, that all the ingredients are present in your kitchen closet and fridge already. So the first thing that I'm going to take is pomegranate, which is an excellent source of iron and folate. These two critical elements ensure hair density and hair growth. And did I tell you that these gummies will also be helpful with improving your skin's elasticity and reduce all the signs of aging. The next I'm taking is a quinoa. You can use oranges or malta, whatever is easily available for you. High in antioxidants, it reduces the process of aging for both hair and skin, which means that it delays hair graying and the signs of aging for your skin as well. Oranges or quinoas also add a very refreshing flavor to the gummies. Next ingredient is my favorite just because it does wonders for hair, skin and overall health, and it is a humble beetroot. Beetroot is very high in beta carotene, which is an essential element in hair, skin and nail structure. Ladies and gentlemen, the next ingredient surely is the hero of this recipe, and it is amla. Amla is a superfood that fights common hair problems like premature hair graying, stunted growth, hair fall, dandruff, and even hair damage which has been done due to excessive chemical or heat treatment. As the last ingredient, I'm also using some carrots simply because they are high in beta carotene and help with the formation of new skin, hair and nail cells. It's time to grind it all using as little water as you can. I'm using water only because it helps with better extraction. You can also use coconut water if you have, and that is a much better alternative. Sieve it very slightly to get rid of very coarse or unground particles. It's time to add the secret ingredient that will turn this juice into gummies. And since this is a vegan recipe, veg gelatin or agar-agar powder can be used. I bought them online and have shared the buying links already in the description box, so you can just go and check it out. So you can use either one of them. I'm using half tablespoon of agar-agar powder to our juice just because I tried this recipe with both the powders, and I think agar-agar one turned out better. Just to ensure that our solidifying agent gets assimilated in the juice better, we need to heat it very mildly for say a minute. You don't really need to overheat it, otherwise all the nutrients will be damaged. A better alternative is to microwave it for under a minute. And once it is done, immediately pour it into the molds. Do not delay this step or the solution will harden up very quickly. Now all you have to do is wait for 30 to 40 minutes and let this set into the molds. I didn't find the need to refrigerate it because it started hardening at the room temperature only, and now it's been over 30 minutes and it's time to demold it. I think they look so beautiful and so tempting. Since no preservatives were used in the process, so we need to keep it in an airtight container, and that too in the fridge all the time.
So friends, here are my DIY biotin gummies. I had kept them in an airtight container like this one. So you need to keep this in fridge and it's going to last you for a good 2 weeks. And since we haven't used any preservatives or chemicals, so they might not stay very well for longer time, and it's always good to consume fresh batch every time. So here we have the biotin gummy with us. So it tastes actually just like the fruits that I've used in this recipe, and it's super safe, guys. Anybody can have it. You can give it to your children, anybody. They're super safe since we haven't used anything nasty. So you can have these gummies for 2 to 3 times in a day. So do try it out and let me know how did you find them, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.